Hello friends, welcome to Chiranjeev tutorial. In this tutorial video I am going to show you another 3D effect. So let's start. You can see I have made a symbol. Now I am going to make again. Just take a rectangle, press Alt Shift for duplicate, and now just press Ctrl D. To repeat, press Alt Shift and drag it to the end. Take a round. Press Alt Shift and just Ctrl D. Then copy it for the second line, just drag it to the end. Then select this line and copy by Alt Shift and make it a little bit smaller. And just take it to the right side. Then take this circle again, place here, make it little bit bigger. Alt Shift for copy, just Ctrl D to repeat. So you can see I have made the symbol. Ctrl G group and delete this previous one, and in this symbol I am going to repeat 4 lines again. Alt Shift then Ctrl D. Just select this, select the object, window symbol, just drag it to the symbol and change the name for design. You can see that here is the symbol added. So I will take a circle for the design and just press D for the outline color, fill none, and make it another copy outside of the artboard, and select the circle and take the direct selection tool. This is direct selection tool. Click on this point and just press delete. Select this, go to effect, 3D, revolve. On the preview option, then go to more art option, and you can see the symbol I were added, that is here for design. Just take it and scale to fit. Then on this option, invisible geometry, press OK, and you can adjust here which angle do you want. After then press OK. Then just go to object, expand appearance, then click on this ungroup, click again on this ungroup, and just take it to the outside. This is design 1, this is design 2. So copy this circle, one more copy, and I am going to fill it gradient color. So make the outline off, click on this gradient, click here and just double click to add the color, and click again on this red color, Then just take a gradient tool and here you can see radial. I choose the radial option. Just take it to the upper side. Make it bigger. This one is mixer. It mix two color. You can adjust here as you like. So this one is the gradient color, and just select this, release clipping mask, and select this one and just place on this center. Then send this gradient color to the backward. Or press Ctrl 2, select this, right click, arrange, bring to front. Then just select this, make it white. Then just go to window transparency and choose the overlay option. So this is the design 1. I'm going for the design 2. Make the outline color off, choose the gradient and change the color. Just double click to change the color. I'm going to add this some light colors of cyan shade, 50% cyan. Then just take the gradient tool again, and take the design tool, just click and release. Then take this, select both object, just place it on the center. Click the gradient, Ctrl 2, press Ctrl 2 on the gradient and select this, arrange, bring to front. So select this again and make it white. And go again to transparency and make this overlay. So this is design 1 and this is design 2. Make it group. Now I will take, these two objects are locked. Press Ctrl Alt 2 to unlock. Now I will take a rectangle to the entire artboard. Make it black. Make it 4 color 100 black. Take it to the artboard. Right click, arrange, bring to front. Select this one also, take it to the artboard and arrange, bring to front. Just rotate this little bit, make it little bit bigger. make it little bit smaller. Then I'll take a circle, just select the gradient and go again to change the color. Just double click to change the color. And make this note 0% opacity. And just take it and place it on this design bottom side and select this, arrange, bring to front. Just copy it by press Alt, change the color, %, sun, this one also 50% sun, and just take it and place it on this design bottom side. Then just select this, right click, arrange, bring to front. Then make the artboard little bit bigger to the upper side. Then just take a rectangle and drag to the entire artboard. And click on this gradient. Select the gradient tool. Just take it down. You can adjust as you like. And go to the transparency and make the opacity 80%. And then select to these both objects, right click, arrange, bring to front. One more thing in this design, just select this and make the opacity 80%, that it looks better, and select also this and make this 80%. So you can see this is looking much better. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you think this video is useful or enjoyable for you, then please subscribe the channel, hit a like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching.